Well, hey there woodworkers, I've got my piece of 4x2, it's just under 8 foot long, it's 2.4 metres because that's the metric we get over here. So let's make a start. Well, I kind of already had made a start because I can't get 8 foot in my van unless it's on the roof, and I didn't have my roof rack on, so I've already cut a little bit off. So I've already started, but let's do the rest. Well, there we have it, finished job. All hand tools as you saw, apart from obviously hacking down the original timber on the table saw. Here's all the leftover offcuts. I even used one of the offcuts as an improvised trammel with a pin and a pencil to rough out the circle and mark out where the holes were going to be. But it was literally spokeshave, hammer and chisel to rough out the seat top, and then lots of sanding. And I probably, if I'd thought about it a little bit more with the short legs, because they were an afterthought to be honest, I could have got 3 at the bottom, but actually I like the one at the top because sometimes you want to put your foot a little bit higher. So yeah, all done. I've shellacked it purely to use it up. A batch I mixed up a long time ago and it's starting to go off, so I thought I'd put that on there. And then homemade beeswax polish over the top of that. So really easy. I thought beans it had to be softwood, so I thought I'd use a bit of practice on the old hand tools as well. And I'm really chuffed as to how it's come out. So this will be staying in the shop, I'm pretty sure. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look out for some more probably hand tool videos in the future. We'll see you soon. There's loads of this left over as well if anyone wants any.